Orcheta presents itself to the visitor almost by surprise. It is well protected in a beautiful valley formed by gentle slopes by the banks of the river Sella, surrounded by impressive mountains which, apart from their protection, offer a superb natural environment that is probably one of the best preserved in the Valencian region. A careful observer will find a great variety of life forms perfectly adapted to the different ecological niches, from very humid environments like the Pantano del Amadorio reservoir to rugged and inaccessible areas like the L'Estret Gorge, which is a sanctuary for large birds of prey such as the majestic royal owl. In the same gorge, we can also find numerous endemic species, especially in vegetable life forms. The climate is typical Mediterranean. It is characterized by warm summers and mild winters due to the influence from the sea. The mild climate is one of the most important reasons why Orcheta, on a national and an international level, has become one of the most preferred destinations for tourism and also as a second residency. The local relief in the Orcheta area is basically mountainous, with the exception of the River Sella basin, which crosses from north to south, creating a small but fertile meadow along the river where one of the most extensive irrigation systems in all of the surrounding villages exists. Orographically, the village is surrounded by mountains, the following being the most important: La Sierra de Orcheta, with a height of 678 meters above sea level; La Travesa, 488 meters high, which is delimited by Relleu; La Mina, 387 meters high, which faces Finestrat; and La Sierra del Pantanet of 486 meters, which is close to the municipal limits with Busot. From the village itself, we have a privileged view of an important mountainous system dominated by the mountaintops of Aitana, that reach 1,558 meters above sea level, and Puig Campana, that reaches 1,410 meters. Another great reference point in the surrounding landscape is without doubt the Pantano del Amadorio reservoir. It was constructed in 1957 to control the flow of the river Amadorio, which is formed by tributary rivers from Sella and Relleu, in an effort to improve and extend irrigation in the area and the water supply to Benidorm and La Vila Joyosa. Orcheta also surprises us because of its extraordinary agriculture. Traditional agriculture has been the main economic driving force in Orcheta, leaving an indelible fingerprint in the landscape. Throughout history, the lack of rain and the roughness of the terrain have forced man to adapt to the environment in an attempt to take full advantage of the available natural resources. Therefore, in Orcheta, small fruit orchards of almonds, olives and carob trees alternate in perfect harmony with small woods and open spaces dominated by the typical Mediterranean vegetation. In this dry area, it has always been of vital importance to exploit water resources to a maximum. Evidence of this is found in the lemon and orange citrus orchards, where a complex but traditional irrigation system dates back to the Middle Ages. The El Arquet aqueduct and the natural stone terraces still remaining are monumental evidence of these ancient constructions. The town hall of Orcheta is enabling a series of exclusive itineraries for hikers and cyclists, restricted from motor traffic, where the visitor can practice outdoor sports or simply enjoy a close contact with nature. These green routes, making use of traditional paths and shepherd trails, offer us the possibility to walk through some of the most spectacular natural sites of the municipality, as well as obtaining first-hand knowledge of some of the most emblematic cultural sites. The hiking trail, known and marked as CV 353, is especially recommended as it is a marvelous walk on the ridge of the Sierra d'Orcheta. From here there is a spectacular view of the village, the coast and the mountains of the Alicante region. Orcheta provides all the ingredients necessary to enjoy a marvelous outdoor adventure with unforgettable memories. Orcheta, in the heart of the valley.